Hey guys. So this is a favorite childhood fan of mine. I can't remember if we've done a video of one of these before. A
Uh,
brown plain Casablanca classic.
no, just an ornate.
Okay. Yeah, the plain one is the child. Well, actually, they're both childhood. There's a bank in Madison by Hilldale Mall that has a ton of these hanging up. And I've never been inside it because it's not like the kind you can go inside, but you can see them through the window. And as a kid, me and my friend, the one who came up with the name Blender Fan, we used to bike by this bank, look in there, and try to figure out what type of fans they were. And so far, this is the second one that I found. The first one I found ended up in 12 wings. And so I'm very happy to have found this one. This one's in pretty rough shape, though. It came with that friction drive canopy. Don't ask me why. I mean, I can only imagine that had to be original. It's an Emerson canopy on an Emerson fan. I don't know how. I mean, it wasn't like there was a friction drive with it that they could have gotten mixed up, but I don't know. Blades are pretty badly warped. Metal Pete did some balancing work, and let's give it a shot for the video.
Now, the ones at the bank were non-ornate like this?
Not ornate.
Okay.
My childhood seeing the ornate ones, my Uncle Paul owned a sailboat, and at the marina he used to dock his sailboat at, maybe he still does, I don't know. They had two ornate ones on swag kits in the dining room, and again, when I never went inside, I used to just look through the window and like wish I could go inside.
Okay, 0.22 amps.
Yep.
8.
Watts, so it's a low power factor.
Yep. Quite a low power factor on low.
Yeah, nice slow speed on Emerson's though.
Oh,
And
yeah.
surprisingly no wobble even with the blades being as warped as they are.
Yeah. And medium.
Now the wobble comes in.
Yep. 0.5. Oh, 52, 53 amps. Now we're closer to a power factor
Yep.
1.
Because now there's no capacitor in series. It's These are good air movers.
0.85. 90 watts. And pretty much a power factor of 1. And they're K55, right? This is K55.
Yes. But you know there are different sizes of K55
Yeah.
too, and these usually had the bigger version.
Okay. Alright, I don't believe there's reverse on this one.
If there would be, it would be on top of the motor. I don't know if you looked.
Yeah, I did.
Some of them had reverse and some didn't.
I know mine do not. I have a white one, white ornate one.
Yeah.
That does not.
How many more fans you thinking you want to do tonight, Metal Pete?
At least 2.
Okay. Well, we got plenty of fans to do, and yeah, we're making really some good headway, and there's some cool stuff, and we're making up for lost time because it's been forever since we've done any fan videos, and I've been working on my music videos at the same time, so it's been a great night so far. You know what you want to do next?
Yes.
Oh, he does. Okay.
Alright, so now on to the decade box since there's no reverse on this.
Yep.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Surprised it didn't start on 2, but
I might have. But, okay. 4. 0.21, so I'm getting matching factory low. This is quite slower on 4 with the high value, with the high speed. Might go faster on the low speed coil if I were to have done that. Or on medium.
yeah.
Okay, so here's 5. And 5 we're getting closer to a standard low speed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, 0.55, we're getting a medium. 12. 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright. I'm right at high with 20. Let me hit high.
Yep, right on.
Yeah. Let's see, 21. I just start to go over on 21, so I'm right at 20. That's 8.5, 21. Okay, turned on high, turn it off, and it does go over. Okay.
I'm guessing it's going to be noisy with the solid state, but let's see.
Yeah, for some reason these blender fans do better on the solid state than these.
I think it's because the blades resonate, but I could be wrong.
Okay.
I think the bearings are still a little stiff on this one, too.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think that was any better.
Not too bad.
No.
That's really not bad at all. Alright.
Is that everything?
Almost.
What's left?
0 to high.
Oh, gotta do 0 to high.
0.83 on solid state high. Alright. Alright, here we go. 0 to high. Yeah, no inrush on this.
Not at all. Okay. Anything else you want to say about these? You seen one of these as a kid at all?
I believe so, but can't remember exactly where. A lot of times it was like a one-time thing.
It's interesting how the ornate ones are more common than the plain ones. Normally it's the
Yeah.
other way around.
Well, sure. Probably were more popular, especially in restaurants.
I'm trying to think, other than that marina, if I ever saw the ornate ones in a restaurant. I can't recall. where I've seen them before, but yeah. I know I've seen the plain ones in hardware stores.
Mm-hmm.
The ornate ones were sold through JCPenney. Okay, well, there we have this, and Metal Pete says he's picked out what we're going to do next, so we'll find that out on the next video.
Okay.
As always, thanks for watching.